Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup look. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome beauty content. Enjoy! So starting off, I'm just gonna be taking my Revlon foundation and I'm gonna be using my beauty sponge, which you can get at Clicks, to blend the foundation into my skin. So now just taking my LA Girl concealer as well as my Essence concealer, and I'm just going to be using these two to highlight my face. The one is slightly lighter than the other, but I just kind of mix the two to get the perfect under eye shade. And so now I'm just gonna take that little beauty blender, which I also got from Clicks, just to blend out all that concealer. And these two come in a pack, I believe. Some are blue, some are pink, but this is perfect for blending out that under eye concealer, especially because you can't always get in those areas with a brush, and that is just what I prefer to use. And concealer wise, I would suggest you go 1 to 2 shades lighter than your actual foundation shade. But of course, you can go as light as you want because, as they say, there are no rules to makeup. And so yeah, in this part I'm just finishing up with the blending of that concealer. Next up, I'm using my Essence Mousse foundation, and this is what's gonna give you that snatched look. So hence I'm using a darker foundation because we are using this shade to contour the face.
Little.
And now I'm just blending out that product because we don't want to be out and about with funny lines on our faces. So we're just making sure that product is nice and blended, especially because it's a darker foundation. Now we're moving on to eyeshadow, and I'll be using my Makeup Revolution palette. For this look, I decided to go for a smoky eye because that's what I do every other day. So I'm just taking the orange shade and I'm just blending that into and above my crease. Next up, I'm just taking a darker brown color and I'm blending that right on top of my eyelid to create that smoky eye effect. And voila. That's literally it for eyeshadow. It is so quick, so simple and easy to do. And next up, we're moving on to eyeliner. I'm using this one I got from this game, and I'm just placing that in my waterline first, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the top part of my lash line. And I will be using a little eyeshadow brush to smoke out the top part once again, since we are trying to intensify that smoky eye look, but you'll see that in a sec. Moving on to some highlight, I'm just gonna be using this and apply it with a wet brush. So I'm using a makeup mist, and I'm just gonna wet the brush with that and apply the highlighter on the high ends of my cheekbones as well as the bridge of my nose. And this is a great trick if you have like dry skin, because after all that powder and concealer, you want to make sure your highlight is still nice and dewy. So I would suggest wetting your brush before applying your highlight. Finally, moving on to the lips, I'm using this dark brown pencil just to outline the natural shape of my lips. And some people like to overline, but that's not really my everyday vibe. But obviously makeup is fun. Do what's best for you, do what suits your face best. And after this, I'm just popping on my Maybelline lipstick. This is like a pinkish purplish shade, and I'm just applying that on top. Now for some finishing touches, I'm going in with my Sir John lipstick. This one is a light pink shade, so I'm just gonna apply that right in the middle of my lips just to create that ombre effect. Lastly, I'm just gonna apply some translucent powder on my under eye area as well as on my forehead and my chin, and I'm just setting those areas that I didn't set. And I did apply some lashes off camera, but of course that step is optional. And we are finally done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more. Please keep safe during this time. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.